Today's reflection on the Eucharist is titled, "The Eucharist Prepares Us for Mission." In the face of the sin and injustice we see present in our communities and in our world, the Eucharist plants a seed of living hope in our daily commitment to the work before us, challenging us to live Eucharistic lives. It affirms our role as citizens and as men and women in various professions at different levels of society in contributing with the light of the gospel to the building of a more human world, a world fully in harmony with God's plan. So the Eucharist prepares us for mission, and as Christians, we are a people who are always in mission. We are a missionary people. And that doesn't mean that we have to go to Latin America or to Africa or to Asia to be missionaries. Our mission is to bring God to the world in which we live every day, and to bring the world to God. And we do this, as the reflection states, by leading Eucharistic lives. And what does that mean? To lead a Eucharistic life means that we embody in our everyday lives the unity, the forgiveness, the peace that we share and that we celebrate in the Eucharist. Those realities that are so important to the Eucharist are the realities that we need to carry out of church and into our everyday lives so that there can be more unity, more forgiveness, and more peace in the world.